Hi, this is Nikhil, and today we are going to talk about shampoo. Did you know India produced almost 257,000 metric tons of shampoo last year? शॉकिंग है ना? और हमें धोना इतना पसंद है कि शैम्पू का इन्वेंशन भी हमने ही किया है. हमारे घर में मम्मी जो रीठा, आंवला, शिकाकाई का मिक्सचर लगाती है, दैट इज द ओजी शैम्पू. यही शैम्पू यूरोप पहुंचा and became popular when Sheikh Dean Mohammed moved from Bengal to England and started vapor bath there. Fun fact, Sheikh Dean Mohammed was the first Indian to write a book in English. This book was called The Travels of Dean Mohammed, a native of Patna in Bengal, through several parts of India while in the service of the Honorable the East India Company, written by himself in a series of letters to a friend. Coming back to the shampoo. These European shampoos were made by boiling soap leaves and some herbs together. इन शैम्पू से बालों की डस्ट, पोलन एंड बाकी गंदगी धुल जाती थी एंड पीपल यूज्ड टू गेट अ वेरी नाइस फ्रेग्रेंस टू देयर हेयर. बट है तो ये सोप ही, एंड यू ऑलरेडी नो व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू वॉश योर हेयर विद सोप. ऑल्सो by this point shampoo was only used by hairdressers and barbers. It wasn't even an integral part of people's hair care. In fact, a 1908 article by New York Times stated that people with a healthy scalp should only use shampoo once in 4 to 6 weeks. So how come this soapy product, जिसे लोग महीनों में एक बार यूज करते थे, suddenly became an important part of our hair care routine? Well, there are two parts to the story. First, change in composition. If I ask you to imagine a shampoo bottle, what comes to your mind? A bottle filled with viscous liquid, right? But this wasn't true back in the day. In 1908, when New York Times published their article, this is how shampoo looked like. Yeah, even shampoo came in the form of bars. Though it was called shampoo, it was just a soap bar with herbs. But this changed with two big innovations. First, in 1927, a Berlin chemist, Hans Schwarzkopf, introduced the first bottle of shampoo. Now this was a big deal because it changed the entire way people use the shampoo. Second, in 1934, P&G, the parent company of Head & Shoulders, Pantene and Old Spice, introduced an entirely new formula which didn't have soap at all. Instead, they changed the ingredient with synthetic detergent. Yeah, synthetic detergent. It's the same detergent that you use in your kitchen, laundry and soap. Well, not that soap, but the washing soap. So to understand why does the shampoo contains detergent, we need to first understand how does a shampoo work. So the shampoo removes all the unwanted dirt, dust and sebum from your hair. अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे
ये तेजा तेजा क्या है?
Your scalp produces sebum, which is a greasy substance that coats and protects your hair and hair follicle. और जो आपके बालों का shiny look आता है ना, this is also because of sebum. Because sebum coats your hair cuticle, which gives it a healthy shine. While sebum is great and all, it is the main reason which attracts dust, pollen and other particles to your hair. अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे, ये सब तो पानी से भी धुल जाएगा, right? But यहीं आता है एक छोटा सा ट्विस्ट. ये जो हमारा सीबम है ना, दिस इज हाइड्रोफोबिक, यानी कि इट रिपेल्स वाटर. इसलिए आप कितना भी पानी से अपने बालों को धो लीजिए, ये धूल मिट्टी नहीं जाएगी. सो हियर्स वेयर द डिटर्जेंट कम्स इन. नाउ डिटर्जेंट इज अ सर्फेक्टेंट. बेसिकली डिटर्जेंट के दो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं. वन इज हाइड्रोफोबिक जस्ट लाइक द सीबम एंड द अदर इज हाइड्रोफिलिक. सो बेसिकली ये मॉलिक्यूल आपके पानी के साथ मिक्स होके जो भी डर्ट, डस्ट फंसी हुई है उसे निकाल देता है सीबम के साथ. सो नाइस नो. बट यहाँ एक छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम है. वो जो सीबम आपके शैम्पू के साथ धुल के निकल चुका है, वो नहीं जाना चाहिए था. यस, सो सीबम इज बेसिकली नेचुरल ऑयल फॉर योर हेयर. यही आपके बालों को मॉइस्चराइज करता है. दैट्स व्हाई एवरी टाइम यू यूज अ शैम्पू योर हेयर फील्स सो ड्राई आफ्टर दैट. And that is why you end up using a conditioner after every shampoo. Do you know, in 1986, it was P&G again who figured out how to use conditioning agents in a shampoo. This is when silicones and fatty acids became an integral part of the shampoo. These components are used to moisturize and smoothen your hair, reduce the frizz, and give it that perfect shine. So over the years, our beloved shampoo has changed a lot as a product. Right from using actual detergents on our head to launching herbal and chemical-free shampoos of lately, we have come a long way. But that's just one part of the story. The other part is marketing. In the beginning, shampoo ads used to look like these. The main focus of these ads was to promote shampoo as a cleaning agent and something to keep your hair soft. However, with time, shampoo became a symbol of beauty and social standing. All these marketing campaigns clearly depicted that greasy and oily hair was not that cool. And with more and more celebrities coming in, the entire perception of shampoo changed and it became a household name. Hence, over time, with all this constant product development and the marketing campaigns, shampoo has become an essential product which you think you cannot do without. And now, you have shampoos that claim to treat dandruff, give you shiny and voluminous hair, and even solve hair fall. Many of these shampoos even contains these natural and special ingredients like biotin, apple cider vinegar, rice water, onion, and many more. But what's the science behind working of these ingredients? Do these shampoos really work? Or it's just another marketing gimmick? What is the best hair fall shampoo and why? Well, let's answer all of these questions and many more in our next video. See you next time.